Hello again. Another problem on reactions. It's lesson 10, and we will be doing problem as shown, finding the reactions A and B. Well, one quick comment. This is inch, this is pound, so you should be familiar by now that you don't need to ask me what is this and what is this. And it's kind of awkwardly laid down, or the problem is not, the supports are not on the ends, so it's kind of like overhang here, which is pretty common if you're designing a bridge. Right, here's your deck. You probably have some, railing here, and same thing here, and then you have some, overhang or whatever. So it's kind of similar to this problem with overhang. It's 50 feet is probably excessive for overhang. Maybe like, I don't know, like max 36, maybe 40. But anyways, the first step that you need to do is write fun. I'm just joking. Maybe give you some positive vibes. And the real first, or the first step that you need to identify how many unknowns versus how many equation or permissible equations. Well, that's easy. 3. Roller, pinned, 1 vertical, 1 and horizontal, or this. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna ask me based on what you assume your force is. Well, it's not really a magic. I always assume positive, even though I might know right off the bat that it's not going to be positive. It will be negative for sure, but I'm gonna keep my assumption, which is it's not bothering me. So this is 1 at A, 2 at B, so that's total 3. The moment you identify those two things, that's easy, that's probably by default. Automatically you could proceed and just start having real fun. So let me just give 1 minute for you and maybe direct this like this so you could see the board better. And I could erase. As I taught you previously, first step that you need to do, sum the forces in the y direction or the x direction. I don't need to do anything with the x. If you want to do the x, it's pretty simple. Sum of the forces in the x equals 0. You have bx only equals 0. It's probably not even required step at this point. Sum of the forces in the y, 50, 100, 150, ay, by. So 50, 100, 150, ay, by equals 0. Thus, by plus ay equals 300. Equation 1. Just a second for you to catch up with me. And then you could pause it and read more so I could proceed and erase. Just erase this, and this, obviously. Let's see, this is 2. Sum the moment at A. I would, if I put myself in your shoes, I would practice some of the forces the moment at B. Practice this. for this particular problem, well, what I need to do, sum the moment at A. So I'll have 50 going to A, so that's counterclockwise, meaning here's your support, you're summing the moment here, you're applying a load right there, counterclockwise. So that's going to be 50 times 50, 100 times 100, but that's counterclockwise, 150 times 250, and by times 250. I'm going to erase this part to do some of the forces in the y as we've done. It was from equation 1. We have AY plus BY equal 300 or 0.2 kips. I unfortunately did not solve it before I created this, which I don't typically do this. I don't solve them because I'm not teaching you math. So 250, 250, and that's gonna be 10, and that's gonna be 0, this I think 40. Correct me if I'm wrong on this. So BY would be 150, so 180. Might be wrong, but the idea is how to get to this step. So AY, therefore, AY equal 120, not 80. So 120 pound, and that should do it for this problem. Some tips. Number 1, always be positive. Don't get frustrated. If you solve a problem and you think that you're not getting it, it's not a problem. Just try, keep hitting the wall. You're gonna understand it. Philosophy is pretty simple. You combine two terms together. 1, the moment, 2, the force, or the forces. Sum of the moment using the simple, counterclockwise or clockwise. Force times arm, easy. Sum the forces in the y or x, because I might give you something like this on the test. 150 with an angle of like 45 or whatever. So don't forget that we learn how to do this. So don't think, oh, I'm learning this is easy. Yeah, but don't forget that you need to compile, you need to combine and compile the knowledge all together, right? So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you are safe, and I will sign off for now. We'll see you soon. Bye.